Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turned a simple waste bottle into a beautiful handmade flower vase using only a few materials. Let's get started. I painted the top with gold paint to give it a decorative touch. Once the paint was dry, I started adding decoration. I didn't use any beads for this design. I drew a triangle shape using glue and carefully sprinkled saw rice over it. Instead, I used saw rice to create a golden texture on the front side. When it dried, I painted it with gold fabric paint, and it looked absolutely beautiful and unique. For the leaves, I used pipe cleaner wire. It can be easily bent to shape, like the outer leaves for you. Then I arranged all the flowers into a bunch. This is such a simple way to reuse waste bottles and make something beautiful for your home. If you love making DIY crafts like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching.